What is up, YouTube? I'm Fishing with Ty. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. In today's video, we're going to be going to Lake Pemberton. The last time I was at this lake, which was actually the only other time I've been to this lake, it was Memorial Day, and we fished that in that last video where I caught my first largemouth on the boat. And yeah, the conditions that weekend were not very good. I mean, it was like high of 55, rainy, windy and stuff, but this time the conditions are going to be completely different. We got a beautiful day, high of like 82. Maybe a little bit of wind, partly cloudy, but it's gonna be really, really beautiful out. So I'm super stoked to get out onto the water. Let's go get the boat ready, and I'll see you guys on the lake.
Dry or no? It's
just... No, you gotta like
you gotta move it so it starts going around.
I came home and it was flat. This morning we rolled it out before I left for school, and then I came home and it was flat. And he was like, by the way, you got a flat tire. Alright, yeah, let's get moving then. Alright, thank you so much. It's just the boat that's just gonna come off. Alright, that's in. Yeah, you got it.
Take us to the fish.
Will do. Alright, we're off. Bird's nested first cast. Top water always. Is that even a question? Nice flow. It'll be the most amazing thing in the world. Come on. How the hell? Thank you. Solid 230. Oh! Dude,
You got a fish.
I was reeling it in. Wasn't even looking.
Cool. She's pale. First
Oh yeah, they're pale in here, man. There we go. First bass of today. Thank you.
right there in there.
Nice. First boat float.
Good boy.
Got you on. Thank you. There you go.
Hey,
Number two of the day.
on a fluke.
On the fluke, yeah. Nice.
It is also my only second trip true.
Yeah, he's never caught a fish off land. Yeah.
Besides on like the ocean.
Yeah. Like bass wise. Nice, good job too. I mean, if he's just driving and stuff, you know. I'm literally fishing finesse. I've not caught anything. Even a small fish. Fish. He's on again. Where is it?
Is it better?
What is it? Let me get the net.
The net.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah. Good. Bring it over. Oh yeah, bring it up, bring it up.
Wow.
Yeah, there you go.
Sir.
That's one of the better ones in here.
That's a great one.
Let's put that one in the live one, get some pictures. What you think? Oh wow. That's we gotta weigh that.
2.5 maybe?
All day. 2.5 all day. Alright.
What a catch.
Good job.
Alright, this man right here caught a heck of a fish. Check this beaut out. That's definitely all of 2.5, maybe more. 2 266. 266. Go. Check that bass out. Beauty right there. There he goes. Nice one.
That or a shad. One of the two. Maybe a
Got
shiner.
fish over here.
Either a shiner or a shad right there.
Straight ahead.
Right past us. See it right there? That's what they feed on.
Fun bait, guys.
Maybe a shad. I don't know though. I'm not a pro on bait fish. Doubles up.
Imagine we had to do that every cast.
What are you doing?
See what kind of troll we have? We have the motor guide.
Yeah, it's a Motor Guide 52-pound thrust.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think you can.
I gotta get out.
Yes, everyone's got to get out. Except me. Alright, Rye, could you pull us? Nice. Should we load the car? You want to load the car right now with everything? I can just dock this thing. We'll tie it to a tree. And around the front. Uh-oh. Rod down. It's alright, I'll drift into it. No, we're good. There you go. Now undo it. Keep going. Alright, right there, you're good. Okay, now.
I'll crank it.
Yeah, there you go. It'll go. It'll center itself.
Oh, going.
Dude,